Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Anur. So today we are going to learn alliteration and personifications. So let's start. Alliterations. The repetition of consonants usually at the beginning of words to create the poetic effect. For example, the sun sets slowly has the alliteration of S. Now we can see that three words start with S. The sun sets slowly. Many tongue twisters use a combination of alliteration and rhyme. For example, she sells seashells on the seashore. The shells seashells are seashells, I'm sure. Personification. Personification is a figurative language technique where an object or idea is given human characteristics, abilities, or qualities. For example, the candlelight was dancing in the dark. Here are a few examples. Fear knocked at the door. Number 2. Faith answered. Number 3. My computer hates me. The sun greeted me this morning. Time never waits for anyone. Now we can see each sentence. For example, fear is given a human quality, knocked. Actually, fear can't knock, but we have given it a human quality. Trees were dancing with the wind. Now here's an activity. In each sentence, an object or idea is personified. Identify the object or idea that is being personified and explain which human trait or action is applied to the object or idea. So let's start. Number 1. The wind whispered through the dark and gloomy forest. What has been personified? Can you tell me? Yes, excellent. The wind. Now, which human trait or quality is given? Whispered. Now number 2. The gardener lovingly added manure to his crops, believing he was making the flowers happy. What has been personified? Yes, excellent. Flowers are being personified. Which human trait or quality is given? Yes, happy. When Meena walked through the shoe store, each shiny pair of high heels called out to her. What has been personified? Can you tell me? Yes, excellent. The shoes. No, sorry, the high heel. Each shiny pair of high heels. Which human trait or quality is given? Yes, called out. Now here we can see shoes can't call out someone. So that's it for today's lesson. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.